This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. People do many things to make their lives more comfortable. Thus, they adjust to the 4 seasons that differ in their weather significantly. Each of them has its own beauty that appeals to individuals. Winter and summer represent the very extremes. They determine the way human beings alter their styles of life. Even though summer seems to be a more attractive season, it is easier to adjust food, activities, and clothes for winter. Food. People consume different foods during summer and winter because their weather affects access to various products and the way they can be stored. In general, human beings have more opportunities to get fresh fruit and vegetables in summer because it is one of the harvest seasons. Nevertheless, modern technologies provide them with an opportunity to grow plants during the whole year or at least freeze products so that they can be used anytime. In summer, on the other hand, extreme heat can affect the harvest, making many products unavailable. In addition to that, the majority of recipes presuppose the necessity to boil, steam, or fry food. In summer, people do not want to eat warm dishes, so they have to wait until everything gets cold or suffer because of additional warmth. This problem is not typical for winter. Moreover, while spending time at home, people can still eat ice cream even though it is cold because the indoor temperature can be regulated. In addition to that, by consuming cold food and beverages in summer, individuals can have a sore throat or other health issues. Such problems are not observed in winter when a person tries to get warm with the help of a cup of tea. Clothes. Depending on the season, the average temperature alters, which makes people change the way they dress up. Generally, the summer is hot, so human beings try to wear minimum clothes. They prefer t-shirts and shorts but forget that their skin remains unprotected and can be negatively affected by the sun. Moreover, they can hardly escape from the heat outdoors. In winter, people usually start wearing warm clothes. They put on jeans, sweaters, and coats so as not to get cold. Thus, they can feel comfortable because they can easily take off or on their outer garments. Those clothes that individuals wear in winter are more convenient. They are usually darker and duller, which presupposes that they can serve longer. Materials that are used to create them are often more difficult to blacken and tear up. Activities. People love summer because it allows them to spend much time outdoors, but winter's options are not worse. In summer, many individuals go swimming or lie in the sun. However, they can travel abroad in winter to obtain the same benefits. If not, it is possible to visit a swimming pool and a solarium. People can play football and golf in the summer. Nevertheless, they can also do it in winter, going to the playing field. On the other hand, it is impossible to make a snowman in summer. There is no opportunity to go snowboarding without traveling to a distant location. Even using artificial snow, people cannot have snowball fights. Finally, it is possible to dress up and enjoy beautiful weather even in winter. Conclusion. Thus, it can be concluded that winter is a season to which people can easily adapt, unlike summer. Both seasons have their peculiar features that cannot be substituted. Nevertheless, it is easier to change food, clothes, and activities to align with cold than with hot weather. Modern technologies can create heat, but it is difficult for them to cope with it. If you want to find more works like this essay on winter and summer seasons comparison, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.